At Vantage Career Center, passion meets purpose. Students turn hands-on learning into real careers, real skills, and a future that starts now. But don't just take it from us. Hear directly from one of our students.
Hi, my name is Grace Welch, and I'm in Machining and Engineering Technologies, and I am from Fort Jennings. Part of the reason I chose Vantage is because I'm planning on going to college to be an engineer, and this lab helps me better prepare to go to college for mechanical engineering or civil. Starting off junior year, you learn the basics of conventional machining. That is your manual machining, using a lathe and a mill. You learn how to read a blueprint, tolerances, and how to take a rough piece of metal and make it into something that's usable. Then you start learning about CNC. You write a program and you put it into the machine and it makes a part for you. The ideal student for my lab would be one that is hardworking and determined. You have to be very precise and detailed when working in my lab.
Your future starts here. Learn more about this program and many others at VantageCareerCenter.com.